$300 billion industry breakdown. How to start a children's clothing business. What if I told you that one of the most profitable fashion businesses in the world isn't luxury, isn't streetwear, but children's clothing? We're talking about a global industry generating over $280 billion every single year and still growing. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a children's clothing business from idea to sourcing to selling, and how you can tap into this high-demand, repeat purchase market. Let's get into it. Why children's clothing is so profitable. First, let's talk about why this business is so powerful. The global children's apparel market is estimated at $285+ billion in 2025, and it's projected to keep growing year after year. Other reports even estimate the market will surpass $400 billion in the next decade. So why is this industry so profitable? Number 1, kids outgrow clothes fast. Unlike adults, children need new clothing every few months. In fact, parents typically buy new clothes every 3 to 4 months for their kids. That means built-in repeat customers. Number 2, parents prioritize quality over price. About 68% of parents prioritize comfort and quality over brand names. This means you don't need a luxury brand, you need a smart product. Number 3, emotional buying. Parents don't just shop logically, they shop emotionally. They want their children to look good, feel comfortable, and be safe. And that creates strong demand across all income levels. Top-selling children's clothing items. Now let's talk about what actually sells. If you're starting this business, you don't want to guess, you want to follow the data. Here are the top-selling categories. T-shirts and tops. These dominate the market, especially for kids ages 5 to 12, making up around 40% of sales in that segment. Infant clothing, 0 to 2 years. This is huge. Infant apparel alone generates over $90 billion globally. Why? Babies grow the fastest. Dresses and girls' fashion. Girls' clothing accounts for about 52% of the global market share. Activewear and playwear. Kids are active. Parents want durable, flexible clothing. Sleepwear and pajamas. This is a multi-billion-dollar category on its own. Schoolwear and basics. Uniforms, jeans, leggings, and everyday essentials sell consistently. Pro tip: start with basics, plus a niche twist. Example, organic cotton baby wear, Afrocentric kids fashion, luxury toddler wear, or matching family outfits. Best countries to source children's clothing. Now let's talk about sourcing. This is where your profit is made. China, the #1 global manufacturing hub. Lowest production costs, massive variety, fast production cycles. China dominates the global kids apparel supply chain and supports fast-growing brands worldwide. India, best for cotton garments, organic clothing, handcrafted pieces. India is ideal if you want high-quality, breathable fabrics. Bangladesh, one of the cheapest large-scale manufacturers. Great for bulk production, strong in basic garments. Turkey, perfect for higher-end quality, European-style designs. Faster shipping to Europe and US. Vietnam, rising alternative to China. High-quality production, competitive pricing strategy. Tip: start with low MOQ suppliers, China, India. Scale with bulk manufacturing, Bangladesh, Vietnam. How to find wholesale suppliers. Now let's get practical. How do you actually find these suppliers? Online wholesale platforms start here. Alibaba, global sources, made in China search terms, children clothing wholesale, kids apparel manufacturer, private label kids clothing, trade shows. This is where real deals happen. Examples: Canton Fair, China, Magic Las Vegas, USA, Texworld, Europe. You meet manufacturers face-to-face and negotiate better pricing. Direct factory outreach. Once you find a product you like, ask for samples, negotiate pricing, customize with your logo. Private labeling. This is key. Instead of building from scratch, you take an existing design, add your brand, sell it as your own. This reduces risk and startup cost. Step-by-step business setup. Here's your step-by-step blueprint. Step 1. Choose your niche. Don't sell everything. Pick one: baby clothing, luxury kidswear, affordable basics, cultural fashion. Step 2. Create your brand, name, logo, packaging. Make it emotional and relatable to parents. Step 3. Order samples. Never skip this. Check fabric quality, stitching, sizing accuracy. Step 4. Start small order, low quantities first. Test your product before scaling. Step 5. Sell online. Start with Shopify store, Instagram, TikTok. Remember, 35% of children's clothing sales are now online in North America alone. Step 6. Market to parents. Focus on comfort, safety, style, value use. Real kids, real parents, real stories. Let me leave you with this. Children's clothing isn't just fashion. It's a recession-resistant business. Parents will cut back on themselves before they cut back on their kids. And because kids are constantly growing, this business has built-in repeat demand for life. The real question is, will you stay a consumer, or will you build a brand in a $300+ billion industry? If you found this valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to start a business. And if you're serious about building your own manufacturing or fashion brand, this is your moment.